Hello guys, welcome to episode 2 of how to code a Bukkit plugin. So this is what we did in the first episode. We actually made the plugin enabling things. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get onto commands. I'm going to make a heal command, and I'm also going to heal another player. So I was actually doing this before, so I got plugin on. Okay. So you won't have that bad luck. So what we want to do is we want to make a new class. I'm going to make a new package. So go over here to the left. New package at the top, and then I'm going to type in dot commands like that. Okay, and then new class at the top again, and then I'm going to call this heal command, and I'm just going to call it heal like that. Okay, and now what I want to do is I want to make it actually be able to run as a command. So I want to type in implements command executor like that. Then we can import that. Now heal will have this here. Right. So this is what we're going to do. I'm just going to put this into one line so it's just easy for you. Actually, try not now. You guys can see this easier. Alright, okay. So here we go. So command sender, I'm going to type in sender. This fit in this command here, I'm going to type in cmd. This string here, I'm going to type in what am I going to type in? Oh, I know what I'm going to type in, but I forgot it. Go for now. And then args like that. Now I'm gonna just quickly go and make it quickly check it real quick. Label, that's the one. I never really use it anyway, but yeah, label like that. Okay, so now this is your entire class, right? So now what we want to do is I'm gonna say if the command is this or whatever, then we'll do this. So if cmd or command, which is up there, dot get name, so get the name of the command, brackets, dot, then equals. Now you can do equals, but that means that it has to have like the caps exactly and all this. Equals ignore case can mean I can have heal like this and it will still work if I type it like this. Right, so I'm going to write heal like that, but I can have like a capital A there, I can have anything anywhere, and it will still work. It doesn't matter that much about the cases. First statement should up. There we go. Right. So leave the on command. By the way, it'll be underlined or whatever, because I removed the return statement because it'll just get in the way and things. And yeah, so we read the return statement. Okay. Then what we want to do is we want to say heal the player, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in player. First of all, I'm going to make it so I can use sender and player and all this kind of stuff, and it's from the same instance. So I can now use player with a lowercase and also sender, which is very, very useful. So player, what I want to do is I want to do player dot set health, yeah, because we're healing the player. I want to set the health to 20. Now it has to be the 0.0 because it's a float. This 20 by itself is an integer, but set health doesn't support integers for some strange reason, but it does support floats. Some things are weird, like they don't support floats and integers, but others do. It's just, yeah, whatever. So that is now 20. Okay, so now I'm also going to tell the player that they've been healed. So sender dot send message. I'm going to do chat color dot clean plus and then speech marks, and this here will be said in the color green because we set chat color green. So I'm going to say you have been healed. like that. Oh, like that. Right. Actually, do you know what I'm going to do this a better way? I'm going to remove this chat colour dot, so it's just green on its own. Like you will see, it will be underlined. Up here at the top, this import org.bukkit.chat colour. What I want to do is after chat colour, do dot star. Then at the start here, do import static. So it changes to import static org.chat colour.star. So now green is like that, and I can use like red like that and say hi. So yeah, we no longer need the chat colour, which I found pretty cool, but I use it for big programs like I have in here. Like that has a lot of stuff in it. These ones. There we go. I use it for like things like that. Okay, so now what this will do is it will set the player to full hearts and say you have been healed. So now what we're going to do is we're going to return this statement, yeah, and then just pretty much pass it as done. It's not going to be done yet though. So now what I'm going to do is go to File, Export, Next, and then Tutorial plugin. Actually, do you know what we've not done? We haven't made a plugin.yml. So if we go to New, File, and we call it plugin.yml, like that. Actually, wait, I think we did make this in the first episode. Ep2 if we have. Do you know what? I'm pretty sure I put the plugin.yml.main. I always know that I'm main because I call everything main. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make a new row here called commands. So enter. Now, if you're not in Notepad++, you won't be able to see this as well, but you can do it the same thing like things like Notepad even in Eclipse. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 spaces like that, 2 spaces, and then right here, because that is our command. Go enter. So it'll be right here. Now you want to do 2 more spaces and write description, and then heal clear, like that. Okay, so that is that. Now what we're going to do is quickly refresh it on the left hand side because it won't work if it's not updated, not refreshed. So export the tutorial plugin like that, and now I'm already in the game here. So reload. Okay, and let me just check that there is a tutorial plugin. So I do help tutorial plugin, and it says heal. Right now, actually, there's a mob here. Perfect. So game mode 0. I'll hit this creeper. I'll try not to get too close. Okay, so let's start for heart. Heal. Ooh, I did heal and it didn't do anything. No, we forgot a vital part. Yeah, it shouldn't. Vital part. So, we go back into Eclipse here. Go into our main. That's why we did command executor. We need to be able to execute it. So, we're going to do get command. And then in here, right here, dot set executor, and then new heal, like that, because the class is called heal, right? And then import the heal class. So there you go, that's how you do it. And then file, export, next, tutorial plugin, finish, yes, minimize with load. Okay. Right. So let's go take a little bit of damage here. So I lost heart damage. So heal. There we go. So you put my health to full. I'll go and have a few hits by like a skeleton. Here we go. Right. Oh, okay. Here we go. So now this is a good place to show it, right? Got a few hearts taken off. Boom. Heal. Right, like that. And what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna make heal your health and things as well. So let's work on that. Okay. So in the heal now. In this player, let's do player.set food. Yeah, set food level 20. Now this is an integer, so you can just do it like that. Should we also make it where the person is not on fire if they are? Yeah, let's do that. So player dot set fire text to 0. Okay, so now what will happen is the health will be set to 20, the food level will be set to 20, and the fire text will be set to 0. So that's now awesome. Right. Now, that's fine, I don't really need to show you guys that. What I'm now going to do though, is I'm going to show you how to heal another player. So, right, what we're going to do now is I'm going to redo this a little bit. So under this if command here, I'm going to do if args.length equals 0 brackets. Now I want to close it off after all this stuff. So this is if it's 0. Then here I want to do else if args.length equals 1. So now if it goes heal, so if I go in here, I'll do heal 1. 1 here would be the 1 arg. Right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do player. Oh, I've got the answer. Target player equals get player. Yeah. Right. What I'm going to do is actually what. Is that messaged me okay? I said to him recording just so he wouldn't message me while I was recording, so he said he messaged me back saying okay. Well, that was right. So what we want to do now is we want to make it heal the stupid and not working. That'd be why. I put this in the wrong place. I put the args there. That should be like that, and then it should be like that. There we go. Okay. Oh, mistakes. Go. Oh, I guess you need mistakes at times. Okay. So, now what we're going to do is here we're going to do if target player is not equal to null. So if the target player is on the server and does exist, all this stuff, then it can do stuff. So now I'm gonna pretty much copy and paste this actually. Just like this. So it'll be like this. Now I'm gonna make a second one of these ones like that. Okay, now I'll get to that in a second. So now what I want to do is I want to change these to target players. So, and then copy this and just paste it in place of these and one of these. So now it'll go like this. And you have been healed by space send like that. So now what you will do is saying green, you've been healed by space here. Make sure you have this space here, and then it'll get the sender. Yeah, there we go. And if you want the exclamation point at the end, also do that bit there. And then it will say to the sender, you have healed args 0 like that. Okay. So now what it will do is it says you have healed, put target place name, so like right, so let's say I did /heal bot like that. That would make my entire class red. Right. But what it would do is it would check Bob if Bob's online. If Bob is online, it will do all this stuff and say you've been it'll send a message to Bob saying you have been healed by Read FC Walshy. And it'll send to the person to me, you have healed Bob. Like that. There we go. Okay, so that's that. But also what I'm gonna do is if he's not online, we want to say stuff. So target player equals null. So if he is equal to null, he's not online. If Bob isn't online, right, what I'll do is I'll do send message chat color dot. Oh wait, no, I did this to me. Red. There we go. And then I'm going to do actually args 0, and there is not online, like that, with a space. Of course, so now it'll say if he's not online. If Bob's not online, it'll say Bob is not online. So the person who sent the command. So that's a lot there, but yeah, hopefully you can guys get your head around it. I'll try to explain it now as much as I possibly can. So it substitutes player to player. And then also we can use sender as the player as well as the command sender. So if args equals 0, so if it's just /heal, heal yourself. If it's heal whatever, then get the player. If he is a real player, he's online, heal that person, blah blah blah, send the messages. If he's not online, send the sender, person who sent the command, who did the command, to he's not online. So now, did I just export it? I think so. Right, so I'll reload it, and then if I do heal, heal me. If I do heal 1, yeah, there we go. So 1 is not online. If I do heal Bukkit, now this is what we want here. You can heal by craft player name equals Bukkit. So what I did was I did send it, and that won't be it. I need to do sender.get name. There we go. So now it'll say you've just been healed by Bukkit. Okay. Hopefully guys this hasn't been too confusing for you. So yeah. We got real words. Heal Bukkit. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you guys liked it, and I will try my best to just kind of organise a bit more before, but yeah, whatever. Next tutorial is permissions. No, in the end. Next tutorial is permissions. So I hope you guys liked that tutorial, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye bye.